Guess what? They're going to paint you as a liar. You're going to lose your case. Want to talk to you guys today about pre-existing injuries. Happens all the time. Clients come to RMD Law having already been injured in some part of their body, either some pre-existing back pain or neck pain, and they have the absolute wrong impulse a lot of times, which is, we need to hide this from the insurance company. We're not going to tell our doctor about it, etc. No. That is the wrong approach all around in lawsuits, litigation of any type. If they find out about it, guess what? They're going to paint you as a liar. You're going to lose your case. Better bet is in California, you're entitled to the exacerbation of your pre-existing injuries. You're called an eggshell plaintiff. If you came to us with injuries, it's perfectly reasonable that those injuries could be exacerbated. Tell us about your pre-existing injury. Let us help guide you through the process. Tell your doctors about it. We don't hide it. We lean in. I never met a pre-existing injury I didn't like. I never tire of saying it. Give us a call. We're going to help you out.